How to turn $100 into $1,000 in 30 days, without a job or scam. How would your life change if you could flip just $100 into $1,000 in 30 days? No job, no MLM scam, just real tested strategies that actually work. Stay with me, because what I'm about to show you can turn your next 30 days into the start of a brand new income stream. This isn't theory. These are 5 ways I've tested or seen work firsthand that can take $100 and make it work like $1,000. I'll walk you through each one, how to start, the exact tools to use, and what to expect. No guessing, just game. 1. Facebook Marketplace flips buy underpriced items locally and flip them fast using good photos and keywords. Here's how. Use your $100 to buy items like furniture, tools, or electronics from people in a hurry to sell. Negotiate hard, aim for 50% below resale value. Clean or stage the item. Take well-lit photos and list it with urgency and clear value. Reinvent your $100 every few days. Repeat the cycle 4 to 6 times over the month. Why this works? People undersell due to time pressure, moving, downsizing, emergencies. You're turning their urgency into your opportunity. Bonus, look in free sections on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace to stretch your cash even further. 2. Print-on-demand hustle. Create simple designs using free tools and sell t-shirts, mugs, and journals online. Steps: use $100 for a domain name, Canva Pro, optional, and Etsy listing fees. Design 5-10 basic quotes or niche images, examples, teacher gifts, dad jokes, astrology signs. Upload to Printify or Printful and connect to Etsy. Promote your products on Pinterest and TikTok using trending audios and short storytelling. Pro tip: use ChatGPT to brainstorm unique slogans and Canva to style them in seconds. This model is 100% scalable. Once a design works, you can create bundles or seasonal drops without extra upfront costs. 3. Service arbitrage. Sell a service you don't personally fulfill, like logos, writing, or editing, by outsourcing and keeping the margin. Here's how. Set up a Fiverr or Facebook business page offering a high-demand service, e.g., social media graphics for small businesses. Hire freelance help on Fiverr, Upwork, or Discord groups for $10-15 per job. Price your service at $40-75, making sure delivery and quality are top tier. Find clients in Facebook groups, subreddits, or cold DM small business accounts on Instagram. You're building a mini agency from day one, and your $100 is just the client acquisition starter fund. Trust builder. Tip: I'd offer the first gig at cost or free for testimonials. Build your credibility fast. 4. Digital product drop. Create downloadable templates, planners, or ebooks and sell them with 0 shipping or inventory. Steps: use Canva to design a PDF like a small business planner, meal prep tracker, or weekly budget sheet. Upload to Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Price it between $5-15 and promote with real use content like, I made $274 selling a single PDF. Here's how. You create the product once, and it sells over and over. The upfront $100 covers software tools, optional ad testing, and product validation. Example: a simple financial reset checklist priced at $9 can bring in over $1,000 with only 112 sales. 5. Affiliate content sprint. Create short-form content recommending tools or products you love, and get paid when others sign up or buy. Steps: sign up for affiliate programs, Rakuten, Amazon, Webol, Honeygain, Notion, etc. Choose one product or platform you actually use and can explain. Create 10-15 short videos for TikTok Reels Shorts, explaining the value or showing a before-after use case. Add the affiliate link to your bio using Linktree or beacons. One strong performing video can passively earn hundreds over time. Example: a 20-second video explaining how to get free stocks from Webol can rack up 10K plus views and earn $300, $500 in referrals. Now you've got 5 real strategies that can flip $100 into $1,000 in 30 days. No fake promises, no clickbait, just practical, proven paths. Pick the one that matches your skill set or interests and commit to it. Which one are you starting with? Comment below, I respond to everyone. And if you want me to go deep on any of these methods in their own step-by-step video, let me know. Subscribe for more real money content. Every day we drop tools, not just talk. See you in the next one.